Sup everybody? So Instagram just made this new app called IGTV where you can upload videos that go from 15 seconds long to an hour long. And if you're like me who likes to edit the videos in Premiere and then upload it to Instagram, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys what in my opinion is the best export settings for IGTV videos. Roll the intro. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to start off with having your clip, which is right here. I'm going to drag it over here so it can create a new sequence. And what you're going to want to do next is you're going to go to sequence and go to the sequence settings. And you're going to want to make sure that it's at 1080 by 1920. Alright, so let's just pretend that this is the actual video that we want to be exporting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to File and do Export Media. And the settings that I'm going to have you guys do is going to let you have a smaller file size while also not compromising too much quality. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the format to H.264, match source high bitrate for the preset. Next thing you want to do is click on render at maximum depth. And then right here in bitrate encoding, I change it to CBR. And then the target bitrate, I'm going to change it to 25. So the higher the number here means the bigger the file size, but also the better quality that it's going to be, and then vice versa for when it's smaller. So the number that you choose here is ultimately up to you, but I prefer to keep it within the 20 to 30 range. Next thing you want to do is you're going to make sure that use maximum render quality is selected. And then we're going to click on export. So that's the video for today, guys, and if you enjoyed it, please check out the other ones that I make because I make plenty more videos just like this. It's filled with goodness, and as always, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later.